These 10 questions aren't for beginners. They're what separates a boiler operator from a real boiler engineer. If you're going for a promotion or engineering role, you need to know every one of these. This video covers efficiency, boiler dryness fraction, heat transfer, condensate recovery, deaerator, blowdown important, combustion efficiency, and statutory compliance, topics that separate engineers from operators in technical assessments. Ideal for mechanical and boiler engineers preparing for BOE certification. Watch till the end for a quick reference summary. Subscribe for more boiler engineering content in Bangla and English. Let's start. Why should boiler operators understand combustion color? Answer. Flame color provides important information about combustion quality inside the furnace. A bright and stable flame usually indicates proper combustion, while dark, smoke or unusual flame color may signal poor air-fuel ratio, incomplete combustion, or burner problems. Inspectors ask this question because experienced operators can identify combustion issues quickly by observing flame conditions. Incorrect combustion wastes fuel, increases soot formation, raises emissions, and may create dangerous furnace conditions. Operators should monitor flame appearance regularly and adjust burner settings carefully. Understanding. Combustion color helps improve efficiency, reduce pollution, protect equipment, and maintain safe boiler operation in industrial facilities and power plants. Why are boiler records and logbooks important? Answer. Boiler logbooks provide a complete history of operating conditions, maintenance activities, inspections, alarms, and repairs. Accurate records help identify recurring problems, analyze efficiency trends, and support safe decision-making during operation. Inspectors ask this question because documentation is an important part of industrial safety compliance and professional boiler management. Logbooks also help during troubleshooting, audits, and accident investigations. Operators should regularly record pressure, temperature, water level, fuel consumption, and abnormal conditions carefully. Well-maintained records improve operational reliability, support preventive maintenance planning, and demonstrate that the boiler plant is being operated responsibly according to safety regulations and standards. Why is ash removal important in solid fuel boilers? Answer. Ash removal is necessary because ash accumulation blocks airflow, reduces combustion efficiency, and increases furnace temperature imbalance. Excess ash may also damage grates, restrict fuel burning, and reduce steam production efficiency. Inspectors ask this question to test practical operation and maintenance. Knowledge in coal or biomass-fired boilers. Proper ash handling improves combustion quality, reduces clinker formation, and protects furnace components from overheating. Regular ash removal also improves workplace cleanliness and prevents unsafe operating conditions inside the boiler plant. Efficient ash management is an important part of maintaining reliable and economical operation in solid fuel industrial boiler systems. What is the danger of sudden cold water entry into a hot boiler? Answer. Sudden entry of cold water into a hot boiler creates rapid temperature differences inside metal components. This causes thermal shock, where different parts of the boiler expand or contract unevenly. Thermal shock may crack tubes, damage drum surfaces, weaken welded joints, and reduce equipment life. Inspectors ask this question because improper emergency operation can create serious boiler damage. Operators should always introduce feed water gradually and maintain recommended feed water temperature. Controlled heating and cooling reduce thermal stress, protect boiler pressure parts, and improve the long-term reliability and safety of industrial steam generation systems and power plants. Why are boiler tubes expanded or welded carefully? Answer. Boiler tubes are connected to drums or headers through welding or tube expansion methods. These joints must withstand high temperature and pressure continuously during operation. Poor welding or improper tube expansion may create leakage, cracks, weak joints, or even sudden tube failure under pressure. Inspectors ask this question to test understanding of boiler construction and maintenance quality, skilled workmanship, correct material selection, and proper inspection procedures are essential during boiler repair or manufacturing. Reliable tube joints improve operational safety, reduce maintenance problems, and ensure the boiler can safely handle demanding industrial steam generation conditions for long service periods. Why is steam dryness fraction important? Answer. Steam dryness fraction indicates how much dry steam is present compared to moisture content. High-quality dry steam transfers heat efficiently and protects equipment such as turbines, valves, and pipelines from water damage. Wet steam containing excess moisture reduces efficiency and may create water hammer or erosion problems inside steam systems. Inspectors ask this question to evaluate understanding of steam quality and industrial process performance. Proper boiler operation, steam separators, and controlled water levels help improve steam dryness. Maintaining high steam quality increases energy efficiency, improves equipment reliability, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures stable operation in industrial steam applications. What is the purpose of a deaerator in a boiler system? Answer. A deaerator removes dissolved oxygen and other unwanted gases from boiler feed water before it enters the boiler. Feed water is heated inside the deaerator, causing dissolved gases to separate and escape safely. Removing oxygen is extremely important because oxygen causes corrosion inside boiler tubes, drums, and pipelines. Inspectors ask this question because many operators know the equipment name but not its real purpose. A properly functioning deaerator protects the boiler system from corrosion damage, improves water quality, reduces maintenance costs, and increases overall equipment reliability. It is one of the most important components in modern steam plants. Why is condensate recovery important in steam systems? Answer. Condensate recovery improves energy efficiency by returning hot condensed water back to the boiler feed system. Since condensate already contains heat, less fuel is required to convert it back into steam. Recovering condensate also reduces water treatment costs because condensate is usually cleaner than fresh makeup. Water. Inspectors ask this question to test energy-saving knowledge and steam system understanding. A proper condensate recovery system improves boiler efficiency, conserves water, lowers operating expenses, and reduces thermal shock inside the boiler. Efficient industries always maximize condensate return to improve overall plant performance and reduce unnecessary energy losses in steam operations. What happens if a safety valve does not operate properly? Answer. The safety valve is one of the most critical safety devices in a boiler. Its main function is to release excess steam pressure automatically when pressure exceeds safe operating limits. If the safety valve fails, pressure continues increasing inside the boiler shell. Excessive pressure can weaken the boiler structure and eventually cause a dangerous explosion. Inspectors frequently ask this question because operators must understand that safety valves protect both human life and equipment. Regular testing, calibration, and maintenance of safety valves are essential. A properly functioning safety valve prevents accidents, reduces operational risks, and ensures compliance with boiler safety regulations. Why is boiler blowdown necessary every day? Answer. Boiler blowdown is necessary to remove dissolved salts, sludge, mud, and impurities from boiler water. During steam generation, pure steam leaves the boiler while impurities remain inside. Over time, these impurities increase water concentration and create scale formation on boiler tubes. Scaling reduces heat transfer efficiency and causes overheating, fuel wastage, and tube damage. Daily blowdown helps maintain proper total dissolved solids, TDS, level and improves boiler efficiency. Inspectors often ask this question because many operators know the process but not the actual reason behind it. Proper blowdown practice increases boiler life and ensures safe, efficient operation. What is the most dangerous condition in a boiler? Answer: the most dangerous condition in a boiler is low water level. When water level drops below safe limits, boiler tubes become exposed to direct furnace heat. Without water cooling, metal temperature rises rapidly, weakening the tubes and causing them to burst. This may result in a deadly boiler explosion. Many operators focus only on pressure, but inspectors often check whether you understand the importance of maintaining proper water level. Regular monitoring of gauge glass, alarms, and low water cutoff devices is extremely important for safe operation and accident prevention in any steam boiler system.
If this video helps to you, please like, share and comment the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel for update new video notification. Till then, bye. Wait for our next video.